Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video, a brand new review. Now listen, I've been telling you guys for weeks now on upcoming sneakers, this pair that we're taking a look at today is clean. I've been anticipating this shoe for a while now and I'm super excited to have it in hand and break it out and take a look at it. So hey, like always, we're gonna get straight to the point. We're not gonna waste any time. Let's jump straight into the pair of shoes I have for you today, and that is the PSG Jordan 4 in this beautiful colorway. Here we go. Here is the box. It's a very premium feeling box. So again, they've changed it up from the regular Jordan box, of course. So you're getting again this maroonish burgundy color, which Jordan and PSG is calling the Bordeaux colorway. And this is obviously featured on the pair of shoes. So if you take a little look at the top here, it's not a straight cardboard feeling. It's like that kind of really soft, I don't know what kind of texture you would call it. Of course, the sizing tag just over there give you a little look. Let's break them open. Let's take a look. I'm so excited to see them. Wow. Smells fresh. Wow, box looks cool, but here they are. The Jordan 4 PSG. Take those out. You get some like waxy treated paper with the Paris Saint-Germain logo and the Jumpman logo. Get a grassy pitch looking box. Of course, that is for PSG, Paris Saint-Germain, a football team, but we'll get into that in just a little bit. These are just made to a really solid, high quality. They feel good, they look good. The color looks really, really good. I actually really like this color that they've added to this Jordan 4. So PSG, if you didn't know, is a French soccer or football team, and of course Jordan brand. So this was a little bit of a strange one going into it, just trying to read the hype on, you know, the football and the basketball coming together as one. You know, how are people going to react? Now, of course, this isn't the first Jordan and PSG collaboration that we've seen. We've seen plenty others. In fact, we've seen Jordan 5s, 1s, Jordan 1 lows, and 6s as well. But this latest one is it's just super clean. I guess the other ones are too, but I don't know. This one really draws me in personally, and I think a lot of other people as well. So these actually released on the weekend, the 10th of October. Now, what's a little bit strange is the retail price. Now, these go for a little bit more out in the US than they do here in the UK. So in the US, you guys were paying a price premium of $225. Of course, a regular Jordan 4 is just $200. Now, here in the UK, we just got the regular £165. So we're not paying any extra. I assume because France, it's a European team. I don't know, maybe shipping, taxes, whatever it is. You guys are paying a little bit more for this pair. But listen, they do not let you down because this feels really, really good in hand, like you would expect for a premium Jordan 4 sneaker. Now, as far as the shoe goes, it's relatively simple. I mean, it's almost like the fire red color blocking, but obviously the colors on it is this kind of, I mean, I thought it was maroon according to the pictures, but in person, it's a lot more of a purple color. Now Jordan is calling it a Bordeaux color. I don't know, I've never really heard of that before. I've never described a color as Bordeaux, but that apparently is what this is. The mudguard is a really nice, soft feeling suede material. It's coming in this very, very light gray color, which I think ties everything in quite well. Of course, you're getting the white, buttery, soft, tumbled leather, which feels really good. And I think it is, generally speaking, what you would expect from a Jordan 4. Feels nice, feels soft. Of course, you're getting the white laces. They keep the regular meshing around the sides. Underneath, you can kind of see there's that black liner from the inside, giving you plenty of ventilation. Again, these accents of this Bordeaux color come in various different places. Of course, these plastic little eyelets around the sides of the shoe, some of the midsole, of course the back tab, and inside just underneath that tongue. The rest of the sneaker keeps it pretty simple. You're getting solid white and of course a black sock liner with whatever you would call this part on the Jordan 4, the little plastic piece that extends up around the laces. What's actually really cool, and I kind of appreciate this small little detail, is that a lot of times on a collaboration sneaker you would see maybe a logo slapped right on the top of the tongue, but they keep it really simple here. They just keep it black patch with the white Jumpman logo, and it just says Flight, which is pretty regular for, again, Jordan 4. You do get some PSG references, so we've got this tiny little tag over here, and it's just right at the front, and that says Paname or Paname. I think it's Paname, but either way, it's a nickname that France uses for Paris. It's really small, it's really subtle. I think it adds some character to the shoe. I think it looks really good, but it doesn't stop there. You do get this logo right here on the back, which is literally the PSG logo or emblem, which is on kind of the football shirts or the soccer shirts. So it says Paris Saint-Germain in the circle, and right in the center you have a Jumpman logo, where usually on the regular logo you have the Eiffel Tower. This is kind of the biggest, boldest reference to PSG, and I thought that might be the biggest thing maybe holding people back who are not a fan of PSG or just have no idea who they are or just don't want anything to do with PSG. Of course, it replaces the Nike branding or the Jumpman logo for, yeah, the PSG branding. The insole actually has another reference to PSG. Basically, it's got French text saying, "We are Paris." Now that's just a chant, I think, that the football team chants when they're out supporting their team. And what I really like about this shoe is that it is bringing two different worlds together really well. I mean, it's almost like a great all-round sneaker. Anybody who's a fan of Jordan 4s, I think, will really like this colorway. Anybody who's a PSG fan, you gotta like this colorway. It's nothing too brash or too out there or polarizing. It's clean, it's simple, it feels good, and I think it's just one that I think a lot of people are going to like. Now, as far as sizing goes, you already know the deal. These are true to size. They fit me great. I love Jordan 4s. They're nice and comfortable. They look really, really good. So my recommendation is true to size. However, if you have tried on a pair of 4s before, just go with that size. This is gonna fit exactly the same as your regular Jordan 4s. And that pretty much wraps it up for the Jordan 4 PSG review. Let me know if you guys hit on these. From what I'm understanding, there's quite a few people that hit. A lot of people message me saying they managed to get them, so let me know down in the comments section. But hey, thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, subscribing, and joining me again for yet another video. I will catch all of you guys in the next video. All of you in the next video, but until then.